Hello students, welcome back. So in the last class I explained the complement of a set. Yes, have you remembered what is the complement of a set? Complement of a set is nothing but you are comparing the given set with the universal set which are present in set A, so that you are not writing when you are comparing with the universal set which are present in U but not in A. That is complement of a set. So now I am starting with the exercise 1.5 from the NCERT. See here, first example. The universal set is given, set A, set B, set C is given. And the question is one by one. First they are asking a complement of set A. Yes, what is the complement? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are present in A. So don't write that elements, but write down the remaining elements from universal set. So the remaining elements is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood? And B complement. What is B complement? Here 2, 4, 6, 8 are present in B. So don't write that. Write down the remaining elements from universal set. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And what is complement of C? Don't write 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 1, 2, 7, 8, 9. Understood? So like this we are writing the complement of the sets. Now moving to the next questions. To write the next questions, I wrote all the questions, but now I will solve one by one. See, the next question is A union C complement. For that, first we have to write A union C. In the fourth one, first write down A union C. A union C. That means we have to combine the set A and set C. 1, 2, 3 is present in both. Don't write, repeat that. 4, 5, 6. Now write down the complement of this set. That means compare this set with the universal set. Those are present in this. Don't write that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are present. Write down 7, 8, 9. Next, fifth one. Fifth is A union B complement. A union B complement. For that, first find A union B. Union of A and B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Its complement means compare this with universal set and those are present here. Don't write that. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not there, 6, 7, 9. Is it clear or what? Yes, it is very simple if you know the concept. Moving to the next question. Sixth one. Sixth, we have to write the complement of a complement. Complement of a complement. For that, first write down A complement. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Its complement is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then complement of complement means don't write these elements comparing with universal set. The remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. This is nothing but set A. Moving to the next question. That is B minus C complement. For that we have to write the difference of B and C. So start with B comparing with C. 2. It is present only in B, not present in then 4 is C, in present in C also, then 6 also present, 8. Now write down its complement. Compare this with universal set. Compare this with universal set means don't write 2 and 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Don't write 2 and 8, write down the remaining elements. Then moving to the next one. 8. A intersection B, it's a complement. First write down A intersection B. That means the common elements which are present in both A and B. 2 and 4. Then in complement what we will write? We are comparing this with universal set and not writing 2 and 4. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Except 2 and 4 we are writing all the elements. Now moving to the second question in exercise 1.5. Second question. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, find the complement of the following sets. First one, set A is A, B, C. Second one, set B is D, E, F, G. Third one, set C is A, C, E, G. Fourth, set D is F, G, H, A. So compare this with universal set and write down this as a homework question. Third one, taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. Write down the complement of the following sets. Here first I am writing, before going to the question, first I am writing the universal set. The universal set is set of natural number. There is no end. This is the set of natural number. Here in this problem we are considering this as a universal set. The first question, A, x such that x is an even natural number. See here If it is a even natural number means it, of course its complement is odd natural number. So A complement is, write on the set builder form only. X is an odd natural number. Correct or not? Odd natural number. Those are present in set of natural number but not in A. So this is the nothing but the complement of the given set. Moving to the next question. Remember, we are taking the set of natural number as a universal set here. Second one. B. Set A already I wrote. X such that X is an odd natural number. See, the same question they ask in the reverse. Just they interchange. Can you tell me the answer? Yes. It is nothing but it is an even natural number. Its complement is X such that X is an even natural number. Next, question number 3, third one. See, X such that X is a positive multiple. Of course, positive because there are negative multiple also there, but the universal set is a natural number. Positive multiple of 3. Yes, can you tell me what is its complement? Complement is X such that X is not a multiple of, not a positive multiple of 3. So X is not a multiple of 3. X is not a multiple of 3. And of course, remember it is positive only because set of natural numbers is nothing but it contains the positive numbers, not a positive multiple, not a positive multiple of 3. Sorry, not a multiple of 3. Next. D. X such that X is a prime number. Next. What is its complement? X such that X is a positive composite number. Positive composite number. Or you can write that X is not a prime number. X is a prime number and X is a positive composite number. The other than prime numbers are called composite numbers. Then E. X is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So you can write this complement. X such that X is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5. Correct or not? Yes, this is how we are writing the complement. Moving to the next question. Total 9 questions are there. Sixth question. X is a perfect square. Let us take A only. X is such that X is a perfect square. Then what will be your answer? X is such that X is not a perfect square. Next question. X is such that X is a perfect cube and its complement is X is such that X is not a perfect cube. Next question. I'm taking A only. X is such that X plus 5 is equal to 8. That means X is equal to 3 is given and its complement is what? X is such that X belongs to natural number and X is not equal to 3. Why? Because when you solve this, it gives you X value as a 3. Next question. X is such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So when you solve this, you are getting X is equal to 2. Then what is its complement? Its complement is X such that X belongs to n. And it is not equal to 2 because when you solve this, you are getting X value as a 2. So its complement means it is not equal to 2. Next one. A. X such that X is greater than or equal to 7. It contains all the elements. It starts from 7 onwards. So before 7 you have to write. Its complement is X such that X belongs to n and X is less than 7. Remember why we are writing natural number? Because you are comparing with universal set. Next, X such that X belongs to n and 2x plus 1 greater than 10. 2x plus 1 greater than 10. When you solve this inequality, we are subtracting 1 on both the sides. It is 9. X is greater than 9.2, that is 4.5. So its complement is X such that X belongs to n and X is less than or equal to, greater than 9/2 means it is less than or equal to 9/2. Equal sign question not comes because there is no decimal in the natural number. Next, fourth main question. If u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A is given as 2, 4, 6, 8. B is given as 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that first one, A union B complement is A complement intersection B complement. I think you remember the points. They are nothing but the De Morgan's law. Second one, A intersection B complement is A complement union B complement. So these are the De Morgan's law. Try this. If you will not get, I will explain that. Next, question number 5. This one is a homework question. Fifth question. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. See, first one, A union B complement. So already you are familiar. I will on the side first I will show what is A union B. This is set A, this is set B. This is A and this is B. This is a universal set. This is for your reference, students. Please note down. This is for your reference. This is set A. This is set B. This is A. This is B. This is universal set. Union means A union B. So we are marking all this. So students, this is already I explained the Venn diagram. Then also I am giving this for your reference. So this is A union B. Its complement means what? Other than this we are marking. Other than this we are marking means what is the marking you have to do here? The marking is like this. So please note down carefully. Whatever I marked, leave that part and mark the remaining. This part is A union B and this is its complement. This is what? This is A union B complement. This is A union B complement. In the second one they are asking A complement intersection B complement. Students, have you observed, are they related anywhere? Yes, we have the formula. A union B complement is nothing but A complement intersection B complement. That means they are equal. So where you are studied in De Morgan's law. So this is nothing but this, for the both the figure will be same. Understood? For both the figure will be same. Now I am moving to the second question. So please note down, this is A union B, this marking. For its complement, leave this part, mark the remaining part. Now moving to the next one. Third one. A intersection B complement. So already you are familiar with A intersection B. See again for your reference. This is set A, this is set B. Only this part is intersection. Only this part is A intersection B. This is A, this is B, this is universal set. Leave only that part and mark the remaining all the points. That is its complement. This is set A. This is set A. This is set B. This is universal set. See students, mark till here. All the including universal set. Whatever I did the marking, that whole part is A intersection B. See the fourth one, it's A complement union B complement. Are they related or what? That means for both the figure will be same, because A intersection B whole complement is A complement union B complement. De Morgan's law. That's why the figure will be same for both. Now moving to the sixth question. Let U be the set of all triangles. Universal set. Be the set of all triangles in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree. What is its complement? So this is again an assignment question. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. Please underline this true statement. First one. A union its complement. Already you are familiar. Any set, union of any set with its complement is what? Its complement is universal set. See here. What is the complement of null set? Complement of null set is universal set intersection A. When you compare universal set and set A, which is the bigger set U and smaller set is A, in the intersection always you will get the smaller set. When you take an intersection of bigger set and smaller set, you will get the smaller set. And what is A intersection with its complement? With its complement is null set. Fourth one. Complement of universal set intersection A. See, what is the complement of universal set? Null set. Intersection A. And out of these two, A and null set. Null set means empty, there is no element. So out of these two, which one is a smaller? Null set. That means intersection of any set, any two sets. At any two sets, which one is the smaller, you will get that. That means your answer is null set. So with this I completed the exercise 1.5. But I gave some questions as assignment. Students, in the next class I will solve that assignment questions.